Been a wetter one here in central Missouri. We've been tracking widespread showers and storms, but a lot of that starting to make its way down to the southeast and out of central Missouri. Still tracking some flash flood warnings in the southernmost part of the viewing area. Those are set to expire at 1 o'clock for most of the areas, and then down in Benton County looking at 3 p.m. But a lot of those heavier bands of rain looking to exit the viewing area as we start to get into these early afternoon hours. Taking a look at the ABC 17 Storm Track Future Track, we are seeing that low pressure system just off to our west. That'll continue to push off to the southeast. With it going to be taking those heavier bands of rainfall, but still going to be seeing some light scattered showers this afternoon into the overnight hours. Finally going to be exiting Wednesday morning, so early morning if you're down to the southwestern part of the viewing area, might need an umbrella, but by the afternoon hours, looking to see clearing skies and drier conditions until we get off into the weekend days. Now, we're going to be taking a look at additional rainfall here in central Missouri, tracking up to an inch in some areas, but for the most part, that'll be kind of confined to south of Highway 70. A lot of areas only going to be seeing up to half an inch, which is going to be much needed with these drought-like conditions we've been seeing here in central Missouri. Now, temperatures definitely taking a step back, which is going to be a good thing since we saw such well above average temperatures in June and July, but up into the upper 60s by 3 p.m., finally topping out at 71 degrees thanks to that cloud cover here in central Missouri. And we slowly start to cool down as we head off into the overnight hours, finally cooling into the lower 60s. Columbia looking at 62 degrees, Jefferson City 62, and a tad warmer down at Lake of the Ozarks, 64 degrees. We start to head off into Wednesday. Those temperatures warming back up just a tad bit as winds return back out of the southeast, but still going to be manageable as Columbia is looking at 82, Jefferson City 81, and Lake of the Ozarks 80 degrees. Going to see those skies start to clear into the afternoon hours with that low pressure system pushing back out to the southeast. And those temperatures look to be holding pretty steady back into those early 80s as we head into the weekend. But by next week, we're going to see a little bit of a change in those temperatures. Going to be warming back up towards the 90-degree mark, but still got quite some time and some more rainfall to deal with as we head off into Friday night, which will last throughout the weekend. Going to be a little bit more scattered, so not just outright widespread downpours, but for the most part, looking at some comfortable and cooler conditions across much of central Missouri.